Good morning, children. Students, this video is to give revision for periodic 2. Already I sent the pattern and the portion. Even though I remember once again portion and the pattern. Let's portion now. Lesson 3 to 5 and pattern. First Roman, fill in the blanks. 3 mark. Choose the second Roman. Choose the correct answer. 3 mark. And third Roman, true or false. Correct the wrong statement for false statement. 3 mark. Fourth Roman, what do you understand by the following? 2. Students, in this Roman, they will give any words like that. Plateau, otherwise valley, like that. Any words. You need to write the correct meaning for it. Okay? Listen. And fifth Roman, mind map. Mind map refer to the classwork. Sixth Roman, give reason of this following. Seventh Roman, define the following for 3 mark. And eighth Roman, name the state with which the following are associated. 3 mark. Listen, in this Roman, they will give any words. One example, Bharatanatyam. The word given have your question paper means what want you write is a one of the dance for famous for Tamil Nadu. Another one example, pictographic is a one of the writing system of Indus Valley people, like that. Okay, and ninth Roman, answer the following. The question papers have 5 questions. You want write only 4. Okay, for each one question 2 mark. Total mark 30. Okay, now come to revision. Now I will start the revision. Before it, let me give some instruction. Students, read properly page by page because you are studying CBSE. Read pattern wisely and interior questions particularly should be read 1 mark. Whenever you read, most learn the spelling. You should learn and write once and immediately correct yourself to avoid your mistake. Okay, children? Students, now take page number 50. Interior 1 mark. First one, mountains act as dash between the countries. Between countries. Natural frontiers. Natural frontiers. Okay, answer what? Natural frontiers. Second one, the highest mountain in the world is Everest. Where is located? In Nepal. In Nepal. Here answer, Everest in Nepal. Third one, dash mountains are created by fault in rocks. Dash mountains are created by fault in rocks. Block mountain. Fourth one, the lava that comes out of a volcano accumulated near dash and cools down, forming a dash. Here answer, first one, vent. Second one, cone. Vent and cone. Fifth one, The Andes is an example of a dash mountain. Fold mountain. Fold mountain. Now page number 52. First one, plateaus that border fold mountain ranges are called dash. Here given two answer, continental and intermontane. Here answer intermontane. Second one, dash plateaus are surrounded on all sides by either plain or ocean. Continental. Here answer continental. Third one, the Mexican plateau is a dash plateau. Intermontane plateau. Intermontane plateau. Fourth one, the Patagonian plateau has the dash mountain on one side and the dash Andes and South Atlantic. Andes and South Atlantic. Now page number 54. First Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the dash are fold mountains found in Europe. Alps. Here what answer? Alps. A-L-P-S. Alps. Now second one, Mount Dash is a volcanic mountain found in Italy. Here answer, Mount Vesuvius. V-E-M-T. Mount. V-E-S-U-V-I-U-S. Vesuvius. Again one time. V-E-V-S-U-Su. Vesu. V-I-U-S-S. Vesuvius is a volcanic mountain found in Italy. Now third one, the dash refer to the volcanic region around the Pacific Ocean. New Zealand, Japan, Philippines. New Zealand. N-E-W. New Zealand. E-Z-E-A. Land. L-A-N-D. New Zealand. And Japan. J-A. P-A-N. Pan. Japan. Third one, Philippines. P-H-I-L. Pill. L-I-L. Pines. P-I-N-E-S. Philippines. Okay. Now fourth one, dash plateaus are found at the foot of mountain. Piedmont. P-I-E-D. Piedmont. M-O-U-N-T. Piedmont. Okay. Now fifth one, the Colorado Plateau is in the dash United States. Colorado Plateau is in the dash United States. U-N-I. United. T-E-D. Ted. United States. S-T-A-T-E-S. State. United States. Now choose the correct answer. First one, Mount Everest, the highest mountain above sea level, is in, where is located? China, Nepal, India. Nepal. N-E-P-A-L. Nepal. Next one, Bolivian Plateau is an example of, here given, fold mountain, intermontane plateau and continental plateau. Here what answer? Intermontane plateau. Okay. Third one, The Grand Canyon is found in dash, Australia, North America, South America. Here correct answer North America. Now fourth one, pavement means dash in French. Foothill. Here what answer? Foothill. Okay. Now fifth one, the dash plateau is an example of pavement plateau. Malwa Plateau. Where is located? In our India. Malwa. Okay. Now answer the following question in one or two sentences. Okay. First one. What factors led to the formation of mountain? Again one time. What factors led to the formation of mountain? Now answer. Mountains are formed by the constant upward thrust of internal forces. Again one time. Mountains are formed by the constant upward thrust of internal forces. Now second one. How are fold mountain formed? Now answer. When massive slabs of solid rock are pushed off, they fold and rise up, forming fold mountains. Okay. Now again one time. When massive slabs of solid rock are pushed up, they fold and rise up, forming fold mountain. Now third one. What is the Pacific Ring of Fire? Now answer. The Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. Again one time. The Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. Okay. Now fourth one. What is a plateau? What is a plateau? Answer. A plateau is a flat topped land on a raised surface. Again one time. A plateau is a flat topped land on a raised surface. Now fifth one. What are intermountain plateaus? Give example. What are intermountain plateaus? Give examples. Plateaus that border fold mountain ranges are called intermountain plateau. Again, plateaus that border fold mountains ranges are called intermountain plateau. Example, the plateau of Tibet, the Colorado Plateau in the US. Okay. Now answer the following questions. First one, how are block mountains created? Give examples. Now answer. Block mountains are created when rocks are broken, creating faults in them. First point. Now second one. When the land between two faults rises above the adjoining areas or slips down in it results in a block mountain. In a block mountain. Example, the Vosges in France, the Black Forest in Germany. Okay. Now, second one, how are volcanic mountains formed? Now answer, volcanic mountains are formed when molten rock deep within the earth erupts and piles upon the surface. Again one time, volcanic mountains are formed when molten rock deep within the earth erupts and falls upon the surface. Second point, magma is called lava when it breaks through the earth crust. Third point, when the ash and lava cools, it builds a cone of rocks. Now, third question, what is the economic significance of plateau? What is the economic significance of plateau? Plateaus are very useful because it is a storehouse of minerals that are used as raw materials for many industries. Second point, it provides us with food materials and raw materials for our industries. Now, third point, the lava plateau are rich in black soil, good for cultivation. Now, fourth one, where is Grand Canyon found? How was it formed? Now, answer, the Grand Canyon is found in the North America. The Grand Canyon is found in the North America. Second point, it was formed when the Colorado River started carving through layers of volcanic rock and sediment between 5 million and 6 million years ago. Now, fifth one, how are continental plateaus formed? Give example. Our answer, continental plateaus are formed by a continental uplift or the spread of huge lava sheets. Example, the Western Plateau in Australia, the Deccan Plateau in India. Students, now lesson 4, page number 74. Valleys are dash, found between dash or dash. Lowland, found between hill or mountains. Lowland, hill or mountain. Answer. Now, second one, sources of fresh water called oases are found in desert where dash grow, date, palm. Okay. Now, third one, the dash facilitates trade between India and Nepal. Lip Pass. Okay. Now, fourth one, the two tributaries dash and dash join to form the river Nile, Blue Nile and White Nile. Blue Nile and White Nile. Okay. Now, page number 75. A and dash is where a river branches out into many distributaries before meeting the sea. First one, answer, delta. Again one time, and dash is where a river branches out into many distributaries before meeting the sea. Answer delta. Now, second one, when a river directly meets the sea, it forms an dash estuary. Directly meets the estuary. Third one, plains are dash populated sparsely, densely. Here answer densely. Fourth one, coastal plains are formed due to the dash elevation of the dash part of the land, interior part of the land. Now page number 77. The dash sea is part of the Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean. Next one, and dash is a narrow channel of water connecting two water bodies, strait. Third one, Isthmus of Suez connect the dash and dash the seas, Mediterranean and Red Sea. Mediterranean and Red Sea. Next one, the dash canal allows ships to travel between the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Panama. What answer? Panama. Okay. Now page number 78. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The White Nile is a tributary of the river Nile. N-I-L-E. Nile. Second one, these are sources of fresh water. Rivers. These are sources of fresh water. Rivers. Third one, these are lowlands formed between mountain valleys. Now fourth one, river deposit dash and dash on the plain, minerals and silts. Mineral and silts. Now fifth one, sometimes the river branches out into tiny stream called distributaries before entering the sea. Okay, now choose the correct answer. First one, the dash is the largest delta in the world. Nile, Sundarban, Indus. Here, correct answer, Sundarban. Second one, a narrow strip of land connecting two water bodies is called an strait. Answer, strait. Third one, the dash connect of Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea, Suez Canal. Okay. Now fourth one, Isthmus of Panama connect North America to South America. Now fifth one, Arabian is an peninsular. Arabian is a peninsular. Okay. Students, now lesson 4 question answer. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, what is a tributary? A tributary is a stream or a river that flows into a larger river. Okay, again one time. A tributary is a stream or a river that flows into a larger river. Now second one, how is river Nile formed? In Sudan, the Blue Nile joined the White Nile to form the river Nile. Now third question, what are valleys? Valleys are lowlands, normally found between hills or mountain. Again one time answer, valleys are lowlands normally found between hills or mountain. Okay. Now D question. What is an estuary? When a river directly meet a sea or an ocean without branching out into distributaries it. Okay. Now E question. What is a peninsula? Answer now. A peninsula is connected to the mainland on one side and is surrounded by water on three sides. Again one time. A peninsula is connected to the mainland on one side and is surrounded by water on three sides. Now, fifth Roman, answer the following questions. A1. What are deserts? Write about the plant and animal life in the desert region. Answer now. First point. Deserts are vast area of flat land covered with sand. Again one time. Deserts are vast area of flat lands covered with sand. Now, second point. The cactus, acacia and date palm are grown here. The cactus, acacia and date palm are grown here. Now, third point. There are few animals that can survive here, such as the scorpion, the desert fox, the camel, and so on. Again one time. There are few animals that can survive here, such as the scorpion, the desert fox, the camel, and so on. Now, B question. What are plains? Why are they densely populated? Why are they densely populated? Now answer. Plains are flat areas. Plains are flat areas. Second point. Plains are usually densely populated because they are suitable for cultivation. More flat land is available for building houses, roads, railway lines and airport. More flat land is available for buildings, houses, roads, railway line and airport. Okay. Now, C question. What is a delta? What is a delta? Give an examples. A delta is a triangular shaped alluvial deposit at the mouth of a river. Again one time. A delta is a triangular shaped alluvial deposit at the mouth of a river. Example. The Sundarban Delta, the Mahanadi Delta. Okay. Now, B question. Differentiate between an isthmus and a strait. Isthmus now. An isthmus is a narrow piece of land connecting two land masses with water on either side. An isthmus is a narrow piece of land connecting two land masses with water on either side. Now, strait. A strait is a narrow channel of water that lies between two land masses connecting two water bodies. Again one time answer. A strait is a narrow channel of water that lies between two land masses connecting two water bodies. Okay. Now, E question. What are islands? How are they formed? What are islands? How are they formed? Highlands are lands surrounded by water on all sides. Again one time, islands are lands surrounded by water on all sides. Islands were once part of a huge land and were formed when the continent split. Islands were once part of a huge landmass and were formed when the continent split. Okay, students. Now lesson 5, page number 92, book interior 1 mark. The dash was filled with water to be used during religious ceremonies. Swimming pool, great bath. Here what correct? What answer correct here? Great bath. Okay. Now second one. The Indus Valley civilization existed is modern day dash and part of dash and dash. Pakistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Okay. Now third one. The cities had two parts, the dash and the dash. Okay. Lower town and upper town. Now fourth one. One of the gods was dash or god of animals. Lord Pasupati Shiva. Lord Pasupati Shiva. Now page number 94. They were excellent as they used a uniform system for measuring. Mathematicians and weight. Mathematician and weight. Now second one. They traded with the dash civilization. Mesopotamian. Answer Mesopotamian. Okay. Now page number 95. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The Indus Valley civilization is also known as the civilization. Answer Harappan. H-A-R-A-P. H-A-R-A-P. Rap. P-A-N. Pan. Harappan. Second one. They worshipped the goddess. Mother. What answer here? Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Now, third one. Indus Valley sailors travel as far as the dash. Persian Gulf. Persian Gulf. P-E-R. Per. S-I-C-A-N-N. Persian Gulf. G-U-L-F. Gulf. Persian Gulf. Now, fourth one. The earliest form of writing was through dash script. Pictographic. Pictographic. P-I-C. Pic. T-O-2. Graph. G-R-A-P. Hic. H-I-C. Graphic. Pictographic. Now, fifth one. They were the first to use dash which were spun onto cloths. Onto cloths. Button. B-U-T. But. T-O-N-S. Tons. Buttons. Now choose the correct answer. A1, page number 96. The city of Dash was discovered in 1922. Mohenjo-daro, M-O-H-E-N-J-O, Mohenjo-daro, D-A-R-O, Mohenjo-daro. Second one, they were expert at, as can be seen from, neatly laid roads and drains. Laid roads and drains. Answer, town planning. Okay, here have three answer. Skilled pottery 1, town planning next gold mining. Here correct answer, town planning. Now third one, they used dash to bull their carts and fluff their field. Action, buffalo, cows. Action. Dash and dash were their favorite pastime. First one, board games and cockfighting. Board games and cockfighting. Fifth one, images of animals were engraved on dash. Seals, emblem, gay. Here what answer? Seals. Now fourth Roman, answer the following question in one or two sentences. First one, where was the Indus Valley civilization located? Answer, the Indus Valley civilization was located in modern day Pakistan and parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan in India. Again one time, the Indus Valley civilization was located in modern day Pakistan and part of Gujarat and Rajasthan in India. Now second one, how was the upper town built? Who lived there? Answer, the upper town was built on a higher level and had bigger building than the lower town. This is probably where the important people lived. Okay. Now third one, write a few sentences about the Great Bath. Write a few sentences about the Great Bath. Now answer, the Great Bath was located in Mohenjo-daro. It was like a huge swimming pool. This place was filled with water to be used during religious ceremonies. Okay, the ceremonies means what? What is meant by ceremonies? Yeah, sadangugal. Okay, rituals. Now fourth one, what evidence do we have of the fact that they were skilled potters? Many answer now, many artifacts and vessels with beautiful designs led us to believe that these people were skilled potters. Answer again, many artifacts that vessels with beautiful designs led us to believe that these people were skilled potters. Now E1, how can you say that they were excellent mathematicians? The exact measurement of the bricks and the uniform system of weight prove that they were excellent mathematicians. Students, now fifth Roman, answer the following questions. Now A1, how were the cities of the Indus Valley civilization built? Now answer. The cities of the Indus Valley civilization were built in two parts, lower town and upper town. Now second point. The upper town was built on a higher level. This is probably where the important people were lived. The common people lived into lower town. Now, B question. Were the town well planned? How do you know? Now answer. The towns in the Indus Valley civilization were well planned. They had neatly laid roads and drains. Each house had a drainage system and well. They used sun-dried bricks to build the wells, drains and buildings. The remains of the buildings found unravel the splendid town planning in this civilization. Now, what was the occupations of these people? Write about any two. The main occupation of the people was agriculture. They grew crops such as rice, wheat, barley and millet, along with other vegetables and fruits. They had canals to irrigate the field. Now, B questions. Listen here. What do we know about their language and writing? Now answer. Their earliest writing was through pictographic script. What? Pictographic script, which was picture writing on seal made of soapstones, terracotta, wood and metal. They then started adding writing to their picture. The script would be on top with the animal motif below it. Okay. Now, E question. What were the contributions to today's world? What were the contributions to today's world? Now answer. Contributions of Indus Valley civilization to today's world. Buttons were first used by them. These buttons had different shapes with holes in them, so that they could be spun onto cloths. Now second point. They were the first to have used step wells, which are a series of steps leading down to a pool of water. Students, read properly and will try get more marks. All the best. Okay. Thank you, children.